Did you know that many great ideas never see the light of day? It's true. Teams get bogged down in endless meetings and discussions. Sometimes they're afraid to take risks or move forward. This can be a huge problem in today's fast-paced world. We need to be able to move quickly and make decisions with confidence. That's where Sprint comes in. Sprint. How to Solve Big Problems and Test New Ideas in Just 5 Days is a book by Jake Knapp with Rex Campbell and John Zaratsky. It offers a practical framework for rapid experimentation and decision-making. The Sprint methodology is a 5-day process designed to help teams tackle big challenges and test new ideas in a short amount of time. This book is your secret weapon for cutting through the noise, getting unstuck, and achieving remarkable results. The Sprint process is broken down into 5 distinct days, each with a specific focus. This method is designed to help teams tackle big challenges, create new products, or improve existing ones in a very short amount of time. By following a structured approach, teams can ensure that they are making the most of their time and resources. Monday, understand. Define the challenge and set a clear goal. This day is all about getting everyone on the same page. The team discusses the problem at hand, identifies the key questions that need to be answered, and sets a long-term goal. It's crucial to understand the context and constraints of the project. Gather all necessary information and research. This involves looking at existing data, user feedback, and any other relevant information that can help in understanding the problem better. The more information the team has, the better equipped they will be to come up with effective solutions. Tuesday, ideate. Brainstorm solutions individually and as a team. This is the day for creativity and innovation. Team members are encouraged to think outside the box and come up with as many ideas as possible. No idea is too wild or too simple at this stage. Encourage out-of-the-box thinking and explore all possibilities. The goal is to generate a wide range of ideas that can be refined and evaluated later. This collaborative effort often leads to unexpected and innovative solutions. Wednesday, decide. Critically evaluate the generated ideas and select the most promising one. This day is about making tough decisions. The team reviews all the ideas generated on Tuesday and narrows them down to the most feasible and impactful ones. Create a storyboard to visualize the solution. A storyboard helps in mapping out the user experience and ensures that everyone has a clear understanding of the chosen solution. It serves as a blueprint for the next steps. Thursday, prototype. Build a realistic prototype of the chosen solution. This is where ideas start to take a tangible form. The prototype doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be good enough to test the core concepts. The prototype should be good enough to test but doesn't need to be perfect. The focus is on creating something that can be tested with real users to gather valuable feedback. Friday, test. Gather feedback from real users by conducting user testing. This is the day to see how the prototype performs in the real world. Users interact with the prototype, and their feedback is collected to understand what works and what doesn't. Analyze the results to identify areas for improvement. The team reviews the feedback and identifies any issues or areas that need refinement. This step is crucial for making informed decisions about the next steps. Each step in this process is carefully designed to maximize productivity and generate actionable insights. By the end of the week, the team has a tested prototype and a clear direction for moving forward. This structured approach not only saves time, but also ensures that the team is working on the most impactful solutions. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the content, hit like and subscribe for more insightful summaries. The Sprint methodology has been successfully implemented by companies of all sizes across various industries. From tech giants to small startups, the Sprint process has proven to be a versatile and effective tool for innovation and problem-solving. By focusing on rapid prototyping and user feedback, teams can quickly iterate and refine their ideas, leading to more successful outcomes. Google Ventures, a venture capital firm, has used sprints to help their portfolio companies rapidly test and iterate on new product ideas. By employing the Sprint methodology, Google Ventures has enabled startups to validate their concepts in a matter of days rather than months. This accelerated approach not only saves time and resources, but also increases the likelihood of market success. Another example is Savioke, a robotics company that used the Sprint process to develop a robot for delivering items in hotels. The Sprint allowed Savioke to gather crucial user feedback early in the development cycle, ensuring that the final product met the needs and expectations of hotel staff and guests. This iterative process was key to refining the robot's functionality and user experience. Through their sprint, they were able to quickly identify and address potential design flaws, leading to a successful product launch. The ability to rapidly prototype and test different solutions meant that Savioki could make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. This not only sped up the development timeline, but also resulted in a more reliable and user-friendly product. The success of Savioki's robot in the hospitality industry is a testament to the power of the sprint methodology in driving innovation and achieving real-world success. The beauty of the sprint methodology is that it can be applied to almost any challenge, big or small. It's a versatile framework designed to help teams and individuals tackle problems efficiently and creatively. Whether you're a student working on a school project, trying to meet a tight deadline, or aiming to achieve a high grade, an entrepreneur launching a new business, seeking to innovate and disrupt the market, or a team leader tackling a complex problem, striving to find the best solutions and drive your team forward, the Sprint framework can help you move forward with speed and confidence. It encourages collaboration, rapid prototyping, and iterative testing to ensure that you are always on the right track. Start by identifying a challenge you want to address. This could be anything from improving a product feature to solving a customer pain point. Gather a small team of motivated individuals. Ensure that your team is diverse in skills and perspectives to foster creativity and innovation. Set aside a dedicated 5-day block. This focused time frame is crucial for maintaining momentum and ensuring that the team remains committed to the process. Then follow the sprint process step by step. Each day has a specific focus, from understanding the problem to brainstorming solutions, prototyping, and testing. By the end of the week, you'll have actionable insights and a clear path forward. The world is full of challenges waiting to be solved. The sprint methodology provides you with the tools and framework to make a real difference. Don't let your ideas stay stuck in your head. Take action, embrace the sprint process, and watch as you transform your ideas into reality. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? The sprint awaits. We reached the end, but before you leave, let us know in the comments if you are going to read the book. Also, join our community of passionate readers by simply subscribing to our channel, where your love for knowledge and great stories truly matters.